Have you ever been in the middle of something important and then Kling AI just hits you with that busy message? It's honestly the worst, especially when you're trying to get things done fast. But don't panic, because fixing this is way easier than you think. First, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. I know it sounds basic, but sometimes the data your browser holds onto gets corrupted or overloaded, which can mess up how Kling AI works. Just head into your browser settings, find where it says Clear Browsing Data, and clear your cache and cookies. That little reset can make a huge difference.
Next, take a look at how many tabs or apps you've got open. We all do it. Tons of tabs, music, maybe some other programs running in the background. Kling AI needs a bit of breathing room to work properly. So close everything you don't need right now. Freeing up your computer's memory can make a huge difference. If you're still seeing that busy message, just restart your device. It sounds old school, but honestly, rebooting refreshes everything and clears out any glitches that might be causing the problem. Give these quick steps a shot and you'll probably see Kling AI up and running again in no time. It's fast, easy, and works like a charm. Let me know if it helped you out.